She ran into her ex yesterday, not the most recent one, the one from 3 years ago. And for 40 seconds in that grocery store, standing 2 feet away from him, she forgot she had moved on. She didn't remember what he looked like. She remembered the feeling of being around him. That specific feeling she never fully recreated with anyone since. This video is not about becoming that man. 4 edges. That's all that separated him from anyone else she's already forgotten. Edge 1. He saw her, not the version she was presenting. Most men look at a woman. Unforgettable men observe her, not intensely, in a way that makes her feel caught being real rather than watched being attractive. When you comment on what she is showing you, looks, her humor, the impression she is curating, she knows you are seeing the performance. But when you name something underneath it, the tension she is carrying, the contradiction in something she said, the moment where her confident version slipped briefly, she registers that you actually saw her. Being genuinely seen is rare enough in modern dating that the brain files it differently from everything else. Therefore, that interaction doesn't fade the way others do. Edge 2. His opinion didn't move when she pushed back. Most men soften their position the moment they sense disagreement. They qualify it, find the version she might accept, adjust to maintain harmony. That accommodation feels considerate but communicates one thing. His sense of self is negotiated, not owned. Unforgettable men hold their ground, not aggressively. They say what they think, hear her out, and don't relocate their perspective to keep the temperature comfortable. She can disagree with him and he simply remains. That solidity, encountering a man whose self-concept doesn't reshape around her reaction, is something she runs into so rarely it stays with her long after the conversation dies. And this is the thing nobody talks about. Edge 3. He was fully present without needing her to notice. There is a gap between actual presence and performed presence. Most men who are being present are simultaneously monitoring how their presence lands. They are in the moment and watching themselves be in it at the same time. Unforgettable men are just there, genuinely focused on her, but without the background of hum, of hoping she is impressed. That specific absence of needing the attention to be returned in a particular way registers in her nervous system as something distinct. She doesn't have a word for it. She just knows it felt different from every other man sitting across from her. Before I tell you the fourth edge, if you keep losing women you know you should be keeping, the magnetic mindset system is for you. 4.7 stars and a 7-day refund guarantee. We already have hundreds of men in there changing their dating lives, and we have a big offer for you. For the first 3 users, if you use the code MAGNETIC, you will get 50% off, but only for the first 3 users. The link is in the description. So let's continue with the video. Edge 4. He left before the moment used itself up. Most men she forgets lets the interaction run to natural completion. They stay until the energy winds down, until both people feel resolved, until nothing is left wanting. Unforgettable men leave at the peak, when she's most engaged, when the conversation is still climbing, when there's something still unsaid that she wanted to hear. I am dating ASAP. Class dismissed.